sideways.
It is videoing.
Yeah, but hold it sideways.
Why? It's a portrait window.
Have you ever watched portrait videos on YouTube? It's the worst.
Oh yeah, that's what you mean.
This window needs some tint. I will now install on this window the most satisfying tint I own. Get that all on there, Mark.
Ratatatata shoddy.
Our friend Mr. Squeegee will now squeegee. Ooh, that's brilliant. Don't mind if I do. This window has a scratch on it. This is my mirror film, the most satisfying film I own. Just the two of us.
Rainbows in the sky, just the two of us. Just the two of us.
In all my 30 years of tinting, I've never installed a more satisfying film. Do you know it took 5 people to write Justin Bieber's song Yummy?
Yeah, I think I've heard that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the yum, yum, the yum, yum, the yum, yum.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Doc walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, Bop, 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 got any grapes?" We take our Mr. Knife and we do some trimming. Yes, 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 yes. I can literally do it without looking. That's how good I am. I can hear it. You know, like in the rap movie where they're listening to the bread? That's me with tinting.
Watch me, I can cameraman without looking.
You probably just missed that shot. I bet you when we watch this back, you'll have missed the shot.
I definitely did.
You can barely cameraman while looking.
It's true. I can't keep my finger off this lens.
Although you did cameraman for my most viewed video, I think. I think it's coming up on 150,000 views, so you must have done something right.
I never seen 150,000 subscribers. Edible tint. Delectable.
Why are you saying? Look, look, look. That guy's driven past like 10 times now. I'm scared. Don't tint at 3 a.m. challenge. It's a YouTube thing.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
And we're done. We are done the window. We're gonna go now on the outside and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside because it looks really cool. This tint literally turns your window into a one-way mirror. From the outside, you just see your reflection. Then you come on the inside.
That's
and
okay.
From the inside.
Those people don't matter.
Ow! Ow! From the inside, you can see. Hang on. This is from the inside out. Mark, come up here. We'll show them again. And then come around to the other side. Come around to the other side. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, other side. Other side. You see? You see? I think they get the idea. They know how it works. Okay, and then that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you got this far, this window, it's done. You do the regular traditional lick. Every tinter does that. It's normal. This is my brother Mark signing out. Goodbye. Yeah, you got that yummy, yummy, yum.